Hello dear tutorial inmates, my name is Jonathan Acero, and in this video I'm going to show you the description of my city. I live in Acacias Meta and I want to start this video with this picture. This is a picture of Ecopetrol. Ecopetrol offers to our citizens the opportunity to have a work. This is Malecon River. It's a famous river here in Acacias. Many tourists go there to swim or to have a grill, and it is a beautiful place. In this picture you can see plenty of motorcycles, and people here buy plenty of motorcycles because it is an easy transportation in our city. This is our hospital. This is Acacias Hospital, and this is a traditional hospital. I recognize that to have an appointment here is horrible, and I don't like its service. Here you can see a lot of people. They enjoy to go on weekends to have a ride and to visit different places, beautiful places around Acacias. Here we have one of the many waterfalls in the mountains. The water is crystal clear, and its nature is amazing. Many tourists go there and visit us to enjoy this kind of places. And for finishing this video, I want to show you this last picture. This is our main church. It is in front of the main park, our central park. The people come here to enjoy and to eat an ice cream and to talk with other people here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and see you in the next opportunity. Bye bye.